everybody, welcome back to the Jewelry Spot. For anybody new that has never been to my channel before, I'm Val and I'm so glad you're here. I am a jewelry maker and mostly I make earrings. I love to design earrings. I have an Etsy shop, and so that's the type of content that I make. I do tutorials. So if you're interested in that, please come on in and become a jewel. I like to call my subscribers my jewels, and join the family. And everybody that's already been here and you're familiar with me, welcome back, and I'm so glad you're here. All right, so today I'm going old school. I didn't do a live today. I thought I'll do it like I used to do it. A little tutorial and a little chit chat, and then that's today's video. So I'm gonna show you these little baubles that I make. They're so simple, but to me, that's what makes them so nice. Just dainty and simple. So these are my favorite color. These are lapis, which is a really pretty blue color. That's the gemstone. It's called lapis lazuli. And so, let me see if I can get a really good, there we go. See how they have the little silver flower there at the top? And then the ear wires. And then there are the lapis beads at the very bottom. So I'm going to show you how I made those, and I'm going to try to do it in several different colors and get these up into the Etsy shop. So this is another pair. This is like a burgundy color. I love these because I love that color, like a wine or a burgundy color. The same design, the little silver flower is at the top, and then the burgundy bead there. I believe these beads are about 8 millimeters, the round beads. And so the other one that I have pre-made, this is sodalite. That is the name of this bead. It's also a blue. It's got some, it looks almost kind of speckled, and then it's got some white there. And so that's sodalite. And I've got some Dalmatian jasper, and I've got some unakite. And that unakite is like a green, kind of an olive green with some peachy tones. And then I've got some more jasper beads. So let's get started. What I used to make, I've just realized I could have been using pre-made headpins and made it a little easier on myself, but it's all good. Instead of the head pins, I grabbed this, the first thing I saw. I just have this 20 gauge wire. It's a silver plated artisan wire. And I'm gonna cut this. All I need is a nice head pin and then make a loop there. These are so easy to make, but the thing I love about them, they're just so cute to match up with, you know, outfits. Match your gemstone up with your outfits, or maybe pick your birthstone, pick that gemstone. Or give them to somebody as a gift. So all I'm doing is making a simple wire at the bottom, simple loop at the bottom. I'm trying to adjust my little loop. And I'm also gonna use the one-step looper. So just different loops. Okay, so I've got my loop right here. Now I want to, I think I'll do my Dalmatian jasper bead. Who doesn't love Dalmatians, right? All right, I have a silver flower at the top. And let's see, where's my one-step looper? Okay, I am back. Had some technical difficulty a second ago, but it's all good. Still here trying, okay. I need my one-step looper. Here it is. Go here at the top. And straighten the loop up if it needs it, but it looks really straight, so that's good. Now all I need is my wire. Ear wire. And I put that at the top of the flower. Voila. earrings, really cute earrings, in a very short amount of time. Now I know everybody does not love the little dainty earrings. I like to call them baubles, dainty baubles. Some people love to go big or go home, right? And I like those too. But today I thought I would make the little ones. We'll make some larger ones another day. Oh, okay, just want to make sure that that's not going, yep, it came off. So that means all right, I'll tell you what that means. That means that I did not move this back far enough one way. Okay, and I'll show you what I mean. When you open up an ear wire or a jump ring or anything like that, you just make one little quick move like that, and then you make one little quick move right back, and then I really hope you can see that. You see at the very tip there where it meets the other part of your wire, nothing is gonna go anywhere. So if you get this little part bent out of shape too much, then it's not gonna go back. So it's just one little quick move. And so I didn't do that because it came off. So I think I didn't do that. So let's try again. And you know, everything doesn't go perfectly, so I'm glad you guys saw that. Everybody makes mistakes, right? You just have to adjust and fix it. It's like so many other times in life, we get to fix things. Thank God for second chances. All right, we just had a lesson. Making jewelry. All right, let me get back to what I'm doing. Okay, just took my wire, had my little loop at the bottom, and I need a Dalmatian bead. And I need a flower bead. And I need a one-step looper. I'm using this one at the top because I want it to be almost perfect, because that's what I guess people will be able to see most. Well, I don't know, they'll be able to, we just want it to be, you know, uniform, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Make sure that's closed. Okay, now one quick move and then we're gonna close it back better than I did the other one. Just one little move there. See, and now it's not going anywhere. Uh-oh, sorry for shaking. So I'm gonna go and make my others and come right back and let you see them all pretty in a row. Well, friends, that's what I've got. This is what I ended up with. I'm gonna put a picture, a better picture here that'll, you know, show you closer up, you know, hopefully a better picture of what I've got. So I've got the Unikite, which is the green, Dalmatian Jasper, black and white, this matte color, it's kind of gray, hard to describe. This is Jasper. Jasper has so many different colors, it seems, but this is like mostly black and white, maybe just a little bit of peach in there. Then I've got another Jasper that's maroon. I got sodalite, and then I've got lapis. My favorite one, I think, are the lapis ones because they're blue. Okay, so that's our video for today. Hope you enjoyed these little baubles. Until next time, bye-bye.